Well, the North Central Health District is expanding who can get the COVID vaccine starting Monday. Law enforcement is now included in who can get it. 41 NBC's Ariel Schiller has more.
For several weeks, North Central Health District administered vaccines to healthcare workers and those working and living in long-term care facilities. Now, thanks to a directive from Governor Kemp, people in the 1A+ phase can receive a COVID vaccine.
Starting January 11th, people in those expanded groups can start making appointments to get their vaccine. Those include people over the age of 65 and their caregivers, law enforcement, and fire personnel.
Michael Hokinson, Public Information Officer with North Central Health District, says 911 operators and dispatchers are also included in this phase. When calling for an appointment, Hokinson asks people to have patience because demand for the vaccine is high.
There will be a wait time on the call line. We are answering every single call that we get, but we are, of course, restricted by manpower and our own technology.
He also says you can't get an appointment the same day you call for one.
There will be a wait to get your vaccine, but we will make sure that you are on the list.
We spoke with Colonel Henderson Carswell with the Bibb County Sheriff's Office. He says the department is excited and relieved the vaccine is coming their way. According to Colonel Carswell, members of the department have been exposed to the virus even though they use protective measures.
This will give us a feeling of confidence now once these vaccinations are given out, going into different environments and different situations.
He says the department doesn't require deputies get vaccinated, but they're figuring out logistics for those who do want it.
We're going to try to do a coordinated effort to get our people done. If that doesn't work, then of course I'll be one of the first people calling.
Hokinson says even with the expanded group of people allowed to get vaccinated, it's not a time to let up on CDC guidelines.
Make sure you're wearing a mask in spaces where it's appropriate. Make sure you're social distancing from others. Keep your hand washed frequently. And of course, if you are sick, stay home.
In Macon, Ariel Schiller, 41 NBC News.
Well, people who fall into the Phase 1A+ group can start calling to make an appointment to get vaccinated Monday. North Central Health District wants you to keep in mind that you won't get an appointment on the same day that you call.